All right. Last submodule in custom metadata types basics. Use custom metadata types in flows, something I have seen, but rarely, relatively. All right, so I will start right here in another tab that I have open. And here we go. Great. All right. From setup, enter flows into here. Click new flow, start it from scratch, and make it a record triggered flow. And on the object, what we want to do is make it on the account. A record is created or updated. Insert or updated. For set entry conditions, all criteria are met. The criteria are the following. Total spending is changed. And there's going to be some global constant value here, so that's true. For optimize the flow for fast field updates, so like a before update or before insert trigger. Doesn't say anything about when to run the field. So every time a record is updated and meets the condition requirements. Yeah, so this seems to me to be like a recurring thing. So I could edit a record in general, and then it also is going to evaluate this, and then it will run. But here, like I could edit a record in specific as compared to in general. So some other field value when I say in general, and then it would only run in the case where this is changed. So I'm not sure why it wants us to be running this so often, but whatever. And we'll click save. So, oh wait, what? Hold on. Okay, went a little bit dumb there, but just had to click on the circle to get another get or another element, a get records element, and we're calling this get support tier config. The object is going to be our support tier MDT. I'm not sure why that's not picking up. And then for filter support tier record, all the conditions have to be met, and the master label has to equal gold. Update gold account, blah, 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 for filter. So basically, I had, what did we have? We have a record triggered flow before insert, before update, that evaluates whether or not the total spending field was changed, and it will run even if that criteria is met, but if we updated something else. So okay, so this when it's changed from not meeting the criteria to meeting the criteria versus, yeah, I'm not so sure about this. Sounds like a bunch of word salad right here. I don't like how they do that, but it's for fast field updates, so that's like a before update trigger in my mind. And then I'm going to then run essentially another SOQL to get the metadata type record from the support tier, the gold record from the support tier metadata type, and only store that first record, automatically store all the fields on that. And then I'm going to do another update records element here on the account that triggered the flow to say, if the total spending is greater than or equal to the minimum spending amount of that gold tier support tier metadata type I just got, then go ahead and set the support tier equal to gold. So whatever, I mean, that was a decent example. Don't really know if I would use this in real life, but we can go ahead and save this and activate it. We just came back to this one. We said update the opportunity amount to 5,500 and the support tier should be gold. So that's basically what we did here in our flow. Set the support tier to gold if the total spending is greater than the amount for the gold tier minimum spending in our support custom metadata type. So just a bunch of configurable settings. Now we'll try to answer these questions. How do you reference a custom metadata type in a flow? Yeah, use the get records to get the record. You want to update a standard object field by using the CMT record reference and flow. What do you do? I mean, why would it be anything else? Yeah, there we go.